What's up, guys? So start noticing some squeaking sound, and then I checked the rotor and I noticed that little scratch here and there. So it's about that time to change the rear pads. I already could tell it's thinning. When I get it out, we'll take a closer look, but I might as well get this done. So the pads got some meat left, but it was making a lot of squeaking sounds, so I'm guessing it's the other side. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rear pads. So figure out it's wrong pads. It looked really close, but unfortunately it was the wrong one. So I had to went back to the auto store and bring the used one to compare it. But now I got exactly what I need. I'm tossing these suckers on the rotors. Ugh, what was that? And then put it together, put the wheels back on, and then that's it. On to the next one. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Each like will be a huge help for me. I'm trying to be more consistent with my videos. I want this to be a priority for myself and for you as my viewers. Thanks again. Love you guys. Peace.